This before is nature preserve facing, and it's got a blue backsplash. You're gonna get a really beautiful entry closet. We do have 10-foot ceilings as well too, which creates a nice airy feel. Full-size washer and dryers already come included, no extra cost. I love this laundry room area because it is so large. This bathroom right here is gorgeous. I love this beautiful built-in. Lights are just right here. Nice, beautiful soaking tub. Turn this fan off. Large vanity. Let's just take a second and admire this view from the bedroom. So gorgeous. Beautiful sized bedroom that can definitely fit a king size bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser. Each bedroom is gonna have a fan. Everything's just right on the wall. Imagine waking up to this. This is the beautiful living area and dining area. I love this kitchen. Let's turn on these lights. Look at that. I was having fun in these drawers. I love them because they are more than enough room for kitchen utensils. I love this one for pots and pan holders. This area in the B4 is great for a coffee machine. And check out all of this cabinet space. So in our kitchens, you're gonna get granite countertops, farmhouse style sinks. This is one of the only floor plans that you have a dining room area, but you also have this huge granite countertop as well too. So that doubles as a place to get some work done, entertain, or just eat and feast. You're also gonna get our black stainless steel appliances as well too. I love this fridge because not only is it beautiful on the outside, it's got great features like crushed ice, water filter, but it also has more than enough room for food. So you checked out our awesome cabinets. You also get a pantry in this floor plan as well too. This self-cleaning oven makes making dinner a breeze. Let's just take another second to just take a look at this view. How gorgeous. Let me see what it looks like outside. That's nice. That's very peaceful. Gorgeous living area. Also another beautiful fan. And now for the master. I like to call this the third bedroom. This master is so huge. Master closet's so huge. I love this built-in right here. And I love this bedroom as well too. Another beautiful bathroom. This one has double vanities, yes. And this is great for Bath and Body Works right here, and perfumes. Nice, beautiful soaking tub. This room right here is perfect for decorations and pictures. And boom, a linen closet. As you can tell, this is a really spacious floor plan. It offers very beautiful views. It is a corner apartment as well too, so you only really have one neighbor. Check that out. Beautiful.